Hello students. Today we're going to learn how to solve square root equations. And trust me, it's going to be super easy and quick. So, let's get started. A question is given to us. Root expressions are given on both sides of the equation. Now we will square both sides so that the square root gets cancelled. When you apply the square on both sides, if the root gets removed or cancelled, then we will get the equation. Now, let's move all the variables to the left side, and all the numbers to the right side. After simplifying both sides, we get. Now, let's check the solution. That means verification. Let's substitute the value of x as -12 into the equation. When we perform simplification, so, the results on both sides are the same, which means the verification was done correctly, and the value of x has been calculated accurately. For more detail, visit our YouTube channel, BrainTrain by SirAta.